A push-up is a total body movement that is great for increasing strength. It has the added benefit of engaging your core and your lower body. And since it's a body weight exercise, it can be done just about anywhere with tons of variations to either increase or decrease the difficulty of the exercise. So whether you've been unsuccessful in the past or you just want to fine-tune your form, today I'm going to be showing you how to perform a perfect push-up. A push-up is such a fundamental exercise in calisthenics, and you want to start off by building good habits and performing each exercise you do with perfect form. Start in a plank position. To get into a plank position, firmly place your hands on the ground directly under your shoulders. Ground your toes into the floor to stabilize your lower half. Your feet should be set up in a way that's comfortable for you. For me, that's having both of my feet together. Tighten your core and make sure you also engage your glutes and hamstrings. Flatten your back so your body is neutral and straight. You should be looking slightly in front of you and not directly down. Think of your body as one giant line from your head to your toes. When you start to lower your body down, make sure you keep your back straight and your neck in a neutral position. You're essentially holding a plank the entire time. One of the most common mistakes that I see when people are performing push-ups is having your hands too wide and your elbows flared. If I were looking down at you from above, your arms and body should form an arrow, not a T. To get the most out of this exercise, make sure that you are working through a full range of motion. That means going down until your body is barely hovering over the floor and going up until you're completely locked out and in your original starting position. If you're experiencing wrist pain while performing push-ups, you can perform your push-ups on a pair of parallettes. This will put your wrists in a less compromised position and will actually let you work through a slightly deeper range of motion. To further help with wrist pain, you can also turn the parallettes slightly in. This will have the same effect and will put your wrists at a slightly less compromised position. Alright guys, that's how you perform a perfect push-up. If you found the video helpful, please make sure to subscribe and make sure you turn on post notifications so you don't miss next week's video where I go over the different progressions for push-ups. Also, my other social medias will be linked down below, so please make sure to check them out. And if you are interested in starting calisthenics, I actually have a 4-month beginners calisthenics program. The link will be down in the description, and the program will show you exactly step-by-step how to start calisthenics. Alright guys, that's all for this week. I'll see you guys in the next video.